Alright guys, today I'm going to be making a video on my, well, you already know because of the title of the YouTube video. You know already. I got a new fidget spinner. Pink. It's one of these good ones. Yeah, I think I posted a video of it yesterday. I'm not sure. I think it was yesterday. I forgot, but I have a new fidget spinner. We got it yesterday. Me and my brother have the same one. And it's really good. So let me spin it. But I did something to it and it's going slow now. I don't know why. Like it goes fast, but then it slows down fast too. But I just wanted to show you that real quick. I don't know why, but I love this one. Thank you to my dad. Shout out to him. Love you, Dad. Bye.